Hello children, good morning. We are learning our SS subject, and in previous video we have seen our unit 4. The name of our unit is Beginning of Human Life, and today we are going to learn half of the 4th unit. The first topic is the invention of the wheel. The invention of the wheel is believed to be the most important and revolutionary invention in the history of mankind. Means in our human life, the invention of wheel is very much important. Think of the various ways in which we use the wheel in our day-to-day life. In different ways we are using wheel in our daily life. The invention of the wheel made transport faster and easier for man, and also brought about a major change in his way of living. Means the invention of wheel make easier means a man can go from one place to another faster and easily, and the invention of wheel also took place. They brought the major change in the lifestyle or the way of living of the primitive man or human beings. What other revolutionary changes were possible in man's life because of the invention of wheel? Dear children, imagine that what other revolutionary changes came in the man's life after the invention of wheel. Now our next topic is cattle rearing. The hunter-gatherer primitive man must have started rearing and domesticating animals by the Middle Stone Age. From Middle Stone Age, the hunter or gatherer started domesticating, means putting the animals in their houses from the Middle Stone Age. After the invention of the wheel, man used animals for different forms of transport. This is evident from the cave paintings. Means after the invention of wheel, man used different animals to transport from one place to another, means to go from one place or to travel from one place to another, and this evidence the historians get from the painting of the cave. The caveman. Our next topic is the caveman. We have seen that the tools made from the stone were very useful for human life. As we can see that the tools made from the stone are very much useful for our human life. As a result, man discovered places where he could get good stone. As the tools made from stones are very useful in human life, the man started discovering or finding the places where they can get the good stones. He preferred to live in places where he felt safe and could live there for a long time to make tools. They preferred to live in that places where they can live safely and they can live there for a longer time and they can make the tools. These places were known as workshops or factory sites of primitive man, and these places are were known as workshops or factory sites for primitive man. Archaeologists have found big pieces of stone and also some unfinished tools from this site. From the workshop or factory site of the primitive man, the historians found big stone or unfinished tools from that places or from that sites. Such sites or workshops were mostly found on the bank of rivers and caves. and such sites or workshops were mostly found on the bank of river, means near the river, or and caves. Painting of wild animals have been found on the walls of the caves excavated in Madhya Pradesh and Uttar Pradesh. When they were excavating, the historian get painting of wild animal from the caves from in Madhya Pradesh and in Uttar Pradesh. Our next topic is Bhimbetka, Madhya Pradesh. There is sufficient archaeological evidences of early men living in caves. One such cave has been found in Bhimbetka near the Narmada river in Madhya Pradesh. The historian gets sufficient evidence of the early men living in caves, and one of them is Bhimbetka near the Narmada river in Madhya Pradesh. Similarly, caves have also been found in the Vindhya mountains and the mountainous region of South India, and these same types of caves have also been found in Vindhyan mountains and the mountainous regions of South India, means in south side of India the historians get similar caves. And in 4.6 you can see the image of the Bhimbetka caves. Our next topic is changing climate. It is believed that there were major changes in the climate conditions of the earth around 12,000 years ago. Means it is believed that the climate were changing majorly around 12,000 years ago. Conditions of the earth. Means it is believed that the climate, as we have summer, monsoon and winter, these major changes came on the condition of the earth, means in which condition the earth is around 12,000 years ago. Climate changes brought about changes in flora, means plant life, and fauna, means animal life of the different regions. The changes in climate bring the changes in plant life and animal life in the different region. Grass eating and meat eating animals increased in the plains, means the animals who are eating grass and those who are eating meat were increased in the plains region, means where the land is plain. Thus, man learnt to tame and domesticate animals for his use. From this, the man started domesticating the animals. Man found naturally occurring crops of wheat and barley in the plains of India. The man found naturally growing wheat and barley in the plains, means in the land of India. Gradually, he learned to grow them extensively and store them for the further use. Means they learned how to grow this plant and how to store these crops for the further use. Farming brought them together and encouraged them to live a settled community life. Farming brought the men together and encouraged to live settled life, means to live together with our community. Thus, Man became social and developed a language to communicate. Means they started in communicating the different languages. The role of man and woman. We do not know exactly what the role man and woman played at that time. We don't know that what are the roles were there of the man and woman during that time. Did man and woman both go for hunting? The first question is, did man and woman both were going for hunting? Did man gather food and make weapons? Our second question is, did man gather the food and make weapons? Did woman paint on the walls of the caves? And third question is, did women were painting the walls of the caves? It is possible that both man and woman worked together. It is possible that man and woman were working together. It is also possible that some jobs were done only by women. It is also possible that some works are done only by the woman. Different traditions would have been followed in different parts of India with regard to this. With regard to this, the different traditions are followed by the different region of the India. Thus, we can say that man's knowledge and awareness about life increased, which lead to further socialization. Means we can say that man's knowledge and awareness about life increased the socialization. This was his first step towards culture and civilization. Means this was the first step to follow our culture and civilization. We get detailed chronological information about this from the excavations carried out in the central and north Gujarat. And from we can get the detail about this all things in chronological means from first to end. About from the excavation means excavating means khodu, which we get from or historian get from central and north Gujarat. The remains of human and animal skeletons have been found in Langhanj and Akhaj village in the Sabarmati region and Amrapur of the Mahi river region. Means some evidence of human and animals skeletons have been found in Langhanj and Akhaj village near Sabarmati region and Amrapur of the Mahi river region. Early historical age. By the middle of the 4th century BC, people started living in kucha, unbaked brick houses. People tamed animals like sheep and goat and made clay pots on the potter's wheel, which they painted using natural colors. In the middle of 4th century BC, people started living in unbaked brick houses. People used to tame or domesticate sheep and goat, and they also used to make the pot on the potter's wheel, which they paint on the wall, means which they paint the pot by the natural colors. They learned how to make pot from metal like copper and bronze. They also learned how to make pot from the different metals like copper and bronze. The civilization later came to be known as Harappan civilization, and that civilization now we are knowing as Harappan civilization. Gradually, men started living a civilized life and moved further towards modernization. After that, man started living in modern age. His intelligence level became enhanced and he developed multiple skills. Their knowledge became more and they started developing their skills. His activities also changed and he learned other crafts like pottery and weaving. These activities changed their life and they also learned the crafts like pottery and weaving. He developed the skill of hunting and taming specific animals. They also developed their skills for hunting of animals, and tamed means domesticating the animals. Men learned to use language and also started representing it in the forms of some written symbols and signs. After that, men started using the different languages and they started representing their languages in the form of sign and symbols. By now, he had preferred the art of sowing and repaving crops and could produce surplus crops. And now, till now, the men have learned how to sow the crop and repaving it, and they can now produce the fine crops. Think what would be the next step in human development for mankind. Dear children, think that what is the next step towards of human development towards mankind. So here we have completed our 4th unit and you will get the exercise in your PDF. Thank you children.